Hey, what's up guys? My name's Brandon and welcome to Stratty's World. What's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. And if you clicked on this video, you're looking for one of the cheapest mods that you can do to your Subaru Crosstrek. Well, I have it right here in my hand. Boom. So what is that, you might ask? Well, I can promise you one thing, it's not a butt plug. So I don't want you guys to be commenting that because that's not what it is, okay? It is a window plug, all right? Get your facts right, okay? I'm not a freak, all right? Anyway, so today's video, we are gonna be doing a rear wiper delete. So follow along. Not only is this one of the cheapest mods you can do to your Crosstrek, it's also one of the easiest. This shouldn't take me more than 10, 15 minutes. Let's hop into it. All right guys, so what we have here is the Cobb rear wiper delete kit. It is a universal kit. I picked it up for 25 bucks. I'll leave the link in the description for you guys to check it out. And this is what it comes with. We have some Cobb stickers, always cool. It has the plug itself, some hardware with it, and a couple zip ties. So, pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Let's hop into the install. All right guys, so first thing you wanna do is open up your hood. Open up your hatch, and as you're gonna see, we have all this plastic panels. All this needs to come off. So we're gonna start with the middle panel right here. All you do is find you a little corner and start popping. It's got some pop clips on the inside, I think about 5, 6 of them, but it's got pop clips. You wanna pop those off. Be gentle, but forceful at the same time, and it should pop right off. So we're gonna pop all these off. All right guys, so with the main panels off, we have 2 screwdriver pop rivets. So take a little screwdriver and pop these off. Boom. All right guys, so now that we popped those rivets out, what we're gonna do is start pulling and pull this entire panel off. So just grab a corner and just start prying. Okay. All right guys, so now that we have all that taken off, we have access to our rear wiper regulator. First thing you're gonna wanna do is unplug the clip. Should just come straight off. Boom, let that hang. Now what you're gonna do is take one of the supplied zip ties and just tie it up. Like that. So now it's out of the way, it's not hanging down or flapping around. So now with that out of the way, we have 3 screws we need to unscrew. Alright guys, so like I said, with the screws removed, as you see it's extremely loose. Now what you're going to want to do now is pop off this little clip right here. It should pop straight off, exposing a nut. What you want to do is remove that, and you pull the wiper straight off. Now with the wiper off, we can go ahead and remove that last bolt. And there you go. Now your regulator's out. As you can see, you're just left with the waterproof grommet. Peel it in, peel and push, I guess you could say. And boom. Pops right out. All right guys, so now that we've removed the grommet, what you're going to want to do is just take some alcohol, clean off the area. As you can see here, I do have an outline of a ring. That grommet that I had on that wiper was actually leaking, so I put some silicone in it, so that's kind of why mine looks like this. Now to install the kit guys, we're going to take the plug, the washer, stick it on there. It's got a groove in between, so it just sits nice and flush. Now it comes with 3 other rubber washers. I just used the biggest one just because I feel like the bigger it is, the more surface area it covers. So we'll just stick that on there like this. Boom. Now what you're gonna do is take the bracket. It comes with these little rubber deals. You stick them through here like this, pop straight through. Like I said, it's pretty self-explanatory, guys. So you pop them straight through and you're left with this. If you can see that, you're left with that. All right guys, so with that done, this part is optional. I'm gonna take some silicone and put just a light layer around the O-ring just to prevent any further leakage if it has some, just in case the O-ring fails for some unknown reason, which it probably won't, but just as an added measure. So this is optional. I'm just gonna do this real quick. So with that done, we're gonna take our plug, fit it into the hole, just like that. It should sit nice and snug. Now we're gonna take the plastic bracket, put it like this. Make sure the rubber ends, the flat rubber ends, let me get this to focus. Make sure you get this flat rubber end to go up against the glass and not the round end. So we just stick it on there, our plastic nut, and then put it on here. Now you gotta get a little creative, kind of hold it in place while you screw it on. Okay, now that we have it snug, this is your time to just align the Cobb logo if you care, but you can align it nice and straight. It's good enough for me. So now we do our last tighten, and it should look just like this. All right, guys, and that's pretty much the install. What you're gonna do now is just put all the panel back, and I'll show you guys the end result.